Hello guys, welcome back to my mommy's channel, Ariana's Life. And today's tutorial will be on my birthday sleigh. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.
As y'all heard, this is Breland's birthday sleigh. This is the hair color that she chose for her birthday hairdo. I was actually sent this hair by Braid Beauty, and the hair color is like, we call it hot Cheeto hair because of just the transition from blended to red to orange at the ends is so cute. I would think that this would be like the perfect hair color for Halloween because of just it's like fall colors. And so there's really nothing to it. I'm just doing triangle parts all throughout her hair. Some of the parts are straight, some of them aren't. And that's okay because, you know, I was in a rush. So as you can see, I've tucked the hair. I'm braiding them all the way down to the ends. I love braiding the braids all the way down to the ends because it just ensures that it's not going to unravel, and I hate to see loose braids at the end. It just looks more uniform with it braided down. And of course I'm tucking her hair, protecting it, shielding it, and hiding it, and making the braid look a little bit more seamless. And one thing I want to point out is that triangle parting is so dang hard. And it's like for each braid, you have to pre-part each braid because you can literally think that you're on, I promise it's a mathematical equation, not even lying. You can part the perfect like triangle, even 3. And then you get to around the front and you got to start all over again because no triangles can come from those parts. So I have to pre-part each triangle to make sure that I have enough space for each triangle because we don't want triangles and boxes, amen. So that's all I did all around her head. I actually parted it a little different in the front to make sure that all of them were triangles and that God spared my nerves because I literally hate triangle parts now. I hate them, but it's such a cute style. And of course she thought she was slaying everywhere she went. I can't get her to stop swinging these braids. So it was a success at the end. And so I'll just shut up and let y'all finish watching my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.